on, get some speed up, get some speed up. Stop videoing me while I'm driving. Oh my god, look, 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 look. Oh, I'm gonna come up alongside them. Oh, get the... Oh, no, you can go, you can pull in, that's fine. No problem. Oh! And he put his blinkers on for me to say thank you.
This is going on YouTube, this is. You're going crackers.
You bastard! Graham. Oh. I'm following Mark Owen down the motorway. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop filming me. You're supposed to be filming the car. Oh.
If there's a news story tonight that Mark Owen was involved in a crash, we're sorry.